Inter-Collegiate Youth Festival kam Games and Sports ka bakhandai jong usnem R1000% ka Central Agricultural University CAU Impal ka Sdang menta kasngi ka khasan tri gunai wing R1000% ha ka college jong ka Postgraduate Studies in Agricultural Science CPCGS AS Umiam ya kaneka program on penlong lais ngi kenti kabala penlong hapo ka jingyalam u Dr. Anupam Mishra u Honorable Vice Chancellor ka CAU Impal ha kaneka ngis dang jong kaneka program la sakhi ya ka jingye shimanta shirhem gi khna pule jong kaneka college kinong hikai pat kinong tre jong kaneka college ha ki program ba pher ha kaneka program la dang da ka jingye shimanta da ka jing thang sharak bala penbut pat da ka jingkran pediang da u Dr. Dwipendra Thakuria udin jong ka CPGS AS Umiam bat lawan man pensyit pensengai ro da u Dr. Arun Kumar Sharma u Director General ka NECTAR DST jong ka Sarkar India kumu kongsan ha ka jingye don rengkat ka Professor Indira Sarangthem Director of Instruction CAU Impal ka nong job ya ka Padma Shri Award ka Kong Trinity Sayo na Meghalaya Dr. Puranjan Das, DDG Agri Extension ICR New Delhi Kabarim, Dr. Ashok Kumar Singh, u Honorable Vice Chancellor RLBAU Jhansi, u Balongru kumusumbut kongsan ha kanekasngi. Kani ka Inter-Collegiate Youth Festival, kam Games and Sports Meet kabakhandai, ka kentup ya ki program kum ka athletic, ki indoor but outdoor sports, literary competition, ka fine arts, performing arts bat ka cultural competition ya kane ka programs dang la penkut ha kane ka sngi lengba ki kentin ai khublei da u Dr. Pranab Datta u chairman ka SPC CPGS AS ha ka ba ul ai khublei klum lang ya baro.
Welcome to all the gathered in this August hall on the occasion of 9th CU Inter-Collegiate Youth Festival come Games and Sports Meet 2025, and also I welcome for the program of for celebrating the Janajatiya Gaurav Divas 2025. So, in these figures, I trust that the vibrant faces of our young minds, all they are gathered here as a participant set against the serene environment, have already energized and inspired all of